हेलो एवरीवन, गुड मॉर्निंग, नमस्कार, अभिनंदन, आभार, स्वागत एक बार फिर से आप सभी स्टूडेंट्स का। आई एम अगेन बैक इन फ्रंट यू ऑल टुडे। बिफोर स्टार्टिंग आवर डिस्कशन टॉपिक, स्टूडेंट्स, मैं आपको एक चीज बताना चाहता हूँ। +1 एंड +2 बोथ क्लासेस आपका जो लिटरेचर वर्क है, जिसमें पॉइंट्स और आपकी जो रीडर बुक्स हैं वो कंप्लीटेड हो चुकी है, और +2 का भी सेम मैनर में वर्क है, कंप्लीट हो चुका है। सो टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट राइटिंग स्किल। इट्स आल्सो द पार्ट ऑफ योर एग्जाम इन द फॉर्म ऑफ बी पार्ट इन क्वेश्चन पेपर. It will be in the form of B part in question paper as writing skill +1 and +2 both classes. And today I am going to tell you about the format, how to draft notice, and about the mandatory construction things, how you can draft notice, in which manner, and which are the mandatory things you can include at the time of writing notice. So today here it is. First of all, I just want to tell you about the marking scheme according the CBSE board. Marking scheme, it has equal 4 marks. 4 marks and will be divided into different categories such as format 1 marks, content 2 marks, and the rest there will be expression. If you express the whole sense in which you just want to say the expression, it will be equal 1 marks. In this way it will be 4 marks. So the next thing, in format what you have to write. In format, which things or the instructions will be included? First one, here it is mention. You have to mention the word notice like this. Notice word you have to write on the first or second line of the notice. First oblique second line of the notice. First one thing, my dear student. Second one thing you have to mention. What you have to mention? You have to mention heading, which is given in the form of question. Next one, date, and that is the third part, writer's name with designation. Writer's name with designation. वो जो आपने नोटिस प्रिपेयर करना है, that can be in different form, such as you have to sign as a principal, as the president of club, as the president of cultural activities, as the president of eco-friendly system, whatever the things they will be. According to that you have to mention. Third one thing you have to include in the format, name of the school, oblique institution, oblique organization, and the society, etc. whichever is applicable. उसमें जो भी आपका दिया गया है वही चीज आपने वहां पर अपर पार्ट पर जो है अपने फॉर्मेट में इंक्लूड करनी है. यू हैव टू इंक्लूड इन द फॉर्मेट ऑल दीज थिंग्स, यू हैव टू इंक्लूड. And rested useful tips to attempt a notice. After it, I will draw a format in which manner you have to prepare notice, and that notice you have to put it in a box. So here it is, the useful tips to attempt a notice. Useful tips. What will be the useful tips? First one, content. Content must cover at least 6 value points. 6 value points. Which the content you will write in the center of the sheet. That will be cover at least 6 points among all of these. The first one, what? First one, what? Second one, when. When means time and date. Time and date. And third one, where. Third one, where. Where means venue, place, जगह, जो उसका जगह है. Next one, topic slash theme. Topic slash theme. Another one, chief guest. If there is showing the consent of the chief guest. Another one, program timings. Program timings. Another one, prizes if any. Prizes if any. And the last one but not the least, any other relevant point related to the notice which you want to prepare, and also that is given in the form of question in your question paper related to your final exam. The another one thing you have to listen, the language of a notice should be impersonal. It should be written in the third person. It should be written in the third person. Always keep remember. Third person you can understand about the third person pronoun, he, she, like this. And the next point, first and second person pronoun like I and you should never be used. You will not use in the process of writing notice. You will be prohibited to use I and you in the process of writing notice. So this is all about the instructions about the notice, and after this I will erase all the instructions and draw a format which the instructions I recently have told you. It will be converted in this format. All the instructions you have to follow in this manner. First of all, name of the institute organization. Name of the institute. Name of the institute and a organization. You have to write at the upper part of the notice like this. In the box, you have to put the notice in the box. It will be like this. First of all, name of the institute organization. Suppose XYZ public school. Public school should be all in capital. In capital form. Sorry. In capital form. Another one thing, below this in capital you have to write notice. Another one thing, don't use, you have to use write date. Here it is, you have to write any of the dates, such as today I am preparing this video for you all. Then today there is a 5 August 2020. At the one of the side, here it is, the box is so short, then you have to write one of the side of the notice. Another one thing, avoid attention. Avoid attention. Avoid attention means heading. On which topic that notice has given to you for solving, and in this part prepare the body or prepare the content. And related to content, I recently told you about the instructions. At least you have to follow 6 points from all these instructions, and and at last name of issuing authority. Name of issuing authority, जिस अथॉरिटी के द्वारा उसको इशू किया गया है, जिस के द्वारा इशू किया गया है. एंड एट लास्ट यू हैव टू राइट हियर डेजिग्नेशन. डेजिग्नेशन जो पद है हेड बाय हेड गर्ल की तरफ से है, दैट विल बी मेंशन. एंड रेस्टेड प्रेसिडेंट है, प्रिंसिपल है, जो भी होगा स्टूडेंट उसके अकॉर्डिंगली आपने डेजिग्नेशन वर्ड नहीं डालना, उस पर सिग्नेचर डाल के ब्रैकेट में वो डेजिग्नेशन डाल देंगे आप, उसके अंदर ब्रैकेट में डेजिग्नेशन. Same format will be in this manner. Here is a small space, short space. Due to it, maybe you can face a problem, but you have to study, deeply study in your handbooks and other material you have related to the writing skill. And tomorrow, students, in your next video, I mean to say, in your next video, I will fully tell you in which the manner we will prepare the notice. कि जो हमें नोटिस दिया गया है बेटा वो किस तरह से लिखा जाएगा, उसको एक पूरे नोटिस को मैं यहां पर मेंशन करके भी बता दूंगा आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. टिल देन वेट एंड गुड बाय. थैंक यू वेरी मच.